Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to reset the BMW 1 Series 118 to 116 service light. It's all the same configuration, so let's go first. We'll press the stop to turn on the panel. After that, let's wait for the clock to appear here. And we are going to hit and hold the side button here on the left until the review appears. The review appeared. We squeezed it again and held it. He will ask if it restarts, and we press again. Reboot in progress. We waited a little bit. Okay, it's already zeroed the panel. Let's go to the next menu. Here, the brake fluid change. It's great. Here, the review reset. It's still good. Let's not mess with it. Front pad. Rear pad. And the oil change that we just did now. In 6,000 kilometers, it lights up again on the dashboard. Okay guys, share our video. Give a like, that helps us a lot. And keep an eye on our channel, that is always a cool tip for you. A hug and see you later.